If you're a recruiter looking to collaborate with others and grow your network, Top Echelon is one of the best tools to help you achieve that. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to collaborate with other recruiters on Top Echelon and make the most of its features. Stick around because by the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use this platform to build stronger relationships and enhance your recruiting efforts. And if you're new to Top Echelon, stay tuned for a special bonus that'll allow you to try it for free. Top Echelon is a platform designed specifically to help recruiters like you connect and work together, whether you're in the same niche or completely different fields. Collaborating with other recruiters is a game changer. Not only does it expand your reach, but it also gives you access to a wider pool of talent and job opportunities. The first step in collaborating with other recruiters on Top Echelon is to sign up and set up your account. Once you've done that, you'll be able to search for other recruiters within the platform. The key to collaborating is networking, so you want to take advantage of the Recruiter Network feature, which lets you see who's actively recruiting and working on open positions. This is where you'll find potential partners. To make collaboration even easier, Top Echelon offers a feature called the split placement option. With split placements, you can work with other recruiters on a single job order. This means you get a percentage of the placement fee, even if you're not the one to fill the role yourself. This is great if you're new to a market or just want to team up with someone who has access to a candidate pool you don't. Another key feature is the job order section. Here you can share job orders with other recruiters. This creates an open line of communication where everyone involved can update each other on the status of candidates, making the process seamless and efficient. If you're collaborating on a tough-to-fill role, having clear communication is crucial, and this tool makes it incredibly easy to do that. Top Echelon also has a messaging system built right into the platform. You can directly message other recruiters to discuss potential candidates or work together on strategies. The real-time chat feature keeps everything in one place, saving you from hopping between emails and external tools. But it's not just about finding recruiters. It's about building long-term relationships. You can connect with others through Top Echelon's networking groups and forums, where you can participate in discussions and share insights about the recruiting industry. This fosters a collaborative environment where everyone can learn from each other and grow together. As a new user, one of the best things you can do is utilize Top Echelon's vast database of candidates. It's a shared space, so when you collaborate with others, you get access to thousands of resumes from top-tier talent. It's a great way to fill positions quickly and expand your network. And don't forget about the powerful analytics tools Top Echelon provides. You can track your placements, monitor job orders, and see your overall performance within the platform. These insights can help you optimize your recruiting efforts and collaborate more effectively with others. It's all about leveraging data to work smarter, not harder. Finally, to wrap things up, Top Echelon's easy-to-use interface makes it a smooth experience for both experienced recruiters and newcomers. Whether you're collaborating on job orders, sharing candidate profiles, or messaging other recruiters, everything is designed to help you be more efficient and successful. Now, before you go, I have something special for you. You can get access to Top Echelon for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Not only that, but you'll also get an exclusive extended trial that'll give you all the features to start collaborating with other recruiters right away. Don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your recruiting efforts with the power of collaboration on Top Echelon.